Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas, and in this series of HTML and CSS projects, here is the hosting landing page project, which is live on Netlify, and I learn full stack development from Inueron AI, which provide best of the best content to their students. So in this hosting landing page project, I used HTML and CSS, the basics of HTML and CSS, and I took 10 to 13 hours to complete it and learning the basics how things are working in CSS. And I learned a lot of this by making this project, like how to design a button, how to give specific padding, height, width, how positions are work in a CSS, how flexbox works in cards and colors and box model. So here is the live hosting landing page project. So this is a logo, and I give position, relative, width and top left property to make this looks beautiful. And these are the nav items. For the nav bar, I use flexbox, and flexbox properties, justify content, flexbox, align center, and I use gap to create gaps between these nav items. And this is the register now button. And for the button, I use width, height and background color white, align center, border 1 pixel, font weight bold. And what properties you want to give, you just give, and it is not perfect and changing. And this is a way you learn more about the CSS properties by doing. And these are the container div elements of HTML, and these all are containers. Here I learn more about grid in CSS. After making container grid, I give grid item, I give grid and grid template column 2fr and 1fr. So here is left is bigger than right. And for headings, I applied font size, font width and colors. So these are also cards, and I use grid for making it. And everything I use gridbox and flexbox of CSS. And for heading, I applied most of the time font size and colors. They are pretty well working. And for footer, I use flexbox to set these footer items in a column. So thank you. And you can find my GitHub source code of this project in the description. Thank you.